Acetyl-CoA combines with a 4-carbon compound in the Krebs cycle to produce citric acid. Count the number of carbons in the molecule of acetyl-CoA, 2, and in the carbon compound on the left, 4. Compare that to the number of carbons in citric acid on the right, 6. So the 2 carbons from acetyl-CoA are added to the 4 carbons in the 4-carbon compound to produce citric acid, which has 6 carbons. Focus on the 6 carbon atoms in citric acid and follow them through the cycle. First, 1 carbon molecule is removed, and then another. Where do these carbon molecules go? They are released as 2 molecules of carbon dioxide. This leaves a 4-carbon molecule. Why is this stage of cellular respiration referred to as a cycle? Because the 4-carbon molecule produced in this step is the same molecule that accepts the acetyl-CoA in the first step. The molecule needed to start the reactions of the cycle is remade with every turn. Focus now on the ATP in the cycle. Do you recall how many molecules of pyruvic acid are produced during glycolysis from 1 molecule of glucose? Glycolysis produces 2 molecules of pyruvic acid from 1 glucose. Knowing this, how many turns of the Krebs cycle would result from 1 molecule of glucose? 2 turns of the Krebs cycle, 1 for each molecule of pyruvic acid. So how many ATP molecules would be produced from 1 molecule of glucose? 1 molecule of glucose would produce 2 ATP molecules. Each starting molecule of glucose results in 2 complete turns of the Krebs cycle, and therefore 2 ATP molecules. Focus now on the electron carriers, NAD+ and FAD. Pause the video and find NAD+ and FAD in the Krebs cycle, then press play once you have found them. The electron carriers NAD+ and FAD combine with hydrogen and high-energy electrons to form NADH and FADH2. Energy released by the breaking and rearranging of carbon bonds is captured in the forms of ATP, NADH, and FADH2.